Of course, this is my third time to present remedial English questions. So actually, the questions are commonly grammar questions. So let me start directly the question, please. Yeah. The first question is by the time the plane landed on, yes. By the time the plane landed on, the passengers blanked the airport. So to answer the question here, you are intended to focus on the expression which are signal, and second, the kind of tense which go with the other tense kinds. So here is the conjunction by the time, which is when, and the plane landed on, which is simple past. The passengers blanked the airport. Has left, present perfect, had left, past perfect, simple present, and simple past. Which tense do you think go with the first dependent clause? By the time the plane landed on is a dependent, and this one is an independent clause. Simple past go with past continuous. Simple past go with the past perfect, nothing at all. Simple past with simple past, or simple past with the past perfect continuous tense. So that is the right place. ይሄ ነው መልሳችሁ የሚሆነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ ኮንቴክስት ስታዩት by the time the plane landed on ማለት afterward action ነው፣ ሁለተኛ አክሽን ነው። የመጀመሪያ አክሽን አለ ማለት ያ የመጀመሪያ አክሽን ተከናውኖ የምንገልጽበት ቴንስ the past perfect እንለዋለን። ይሄ ነው past perfect ምን ማለት እንደሆነ ነው። by the time the plane landed on, the passengers had left the airport. ልክ አውሮፕላኑ እንዳረፈ ፓሴንጀሮቹ ከኤርፖርት ለቀው ወጥተዋል ነው የሚላቸው። yes passengers ለቀው ወጥተዋል። ስለዚህ the first action passengers ለቀው መውጣት, second one the plane landed on. So we can say that past perfect, an action had already happened or already taken place before the second action started or began. The use of past perfect here. You know the reason behind why you answer had left or had plus verb three የምትመልሱበት ምክንያት. Nice. Question number 2. By the coming week, Ethiopia belongs the 7th national governmental and regional representative bodies. Yes, right. Actually, this is context-based grammar questions here. I want to give you here how you answer the grammar questions, because there is በተለይ ደጋግሜ የምናገረው ግራመር ጥያቄዎች ሲመለሱ ሲግናል ወርድስ ኤንድ ኤክስፕሬሽንስ መለየት መቻል ነው። ምክንያቱም እያንዳንዱ ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽን አለው መለያ ማለት ነው። እሱ ፍንጭ ሊሰጥ የሚችል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ባይ ፕላስ ፍሬዝ ነው የምትሉት። ይሄ this is by phrase here. by phrase ማለት እዚህ ጋር ያለው ታይም ነው። ይሄኛው by the coming week ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? አሁን ነገር ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ድርጊት የሚከናወነው ከተቀመጠለት ጊዜ ቀድሞ አይደለም ወይም ዘግይቶ አይደለም፣ በተቀመጠለት ጊዜ ብቻ ነው የሚከናወነው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ማለት ስለዚህ ይሄን ቴንስ የምንጠቀምበት ጊዜ ኦንሊ አንድ ቴንስ አለኝ ማለት ነው። ዛስ አሁን ፕሬዘንት አይደለም ፓስት አይደለም። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት እና ፓስት ከሆነ አሁን ሲ እና ዲ መልስ አይሆናችሁም ማለት ነው። ሲ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ነው፣ ይሄ ፕሬዘንት ፓሲቭ ቮይስ ነው፣ መልስ ሊሆኑ አይችልም። ፎከስ አቴንሽናችሁ ምንድነው የሚለው ዊል ፕላስ ቨርብ 1 ዊል ሃቭ ፕላስ ቨርብ 3 ፊውቸር ፐርፌክት ነው። ስለዚህ ያለምንም ኮንፊውዥን መልሳችሁን ቢ ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱት። that's breeze. So by the coming week, Ethiopia will have celebrated the 7th national governmental and regional representative bodies exactly no sooner than the expected time and no later than the expected time, which is given for the expected time. ይሄ ማለት future perfect, an action will have completed, will have ended by the expected time in the future. አንድ በተቀመጠለት ጊዜና ገደብ ሊከናወን ተከናውኖ ሊያልቅ የሚችልን ጉዳይ የሚገልጽበት ብቸኛ ቴንስ the future perfect tense ይባላል ነው። future perfect ለምሳሌ by the end of this year I will have taken the university entrance examination. No later than this year, no sooner than this year. The expected schedule to take for the final exam, to take for the university entrance exam is by the end of at the end of June maybe. At the end of June. This is called the future perfect, please. He is bored. He belonged in the same office for ages. Exactly. He is bored, which is present. Actually, this is present. This is a very important result or signal sentence. Yeah, he is bored. He is bored ማለት result እንኳን ወይም effect ከሆነ እንኳን present ነው past አይደለም። ስለዚህ past የሆነ መልስ ሊሆነኝ አይችልም ማለት ነው alright he belonged in the same office for ages he belonged in the same office for ages for it that's time expression here adverbs አሉ እነዚህ መልጠቀባቸው መቸር መልጠቀባቸው since and for especially it they answer how long something has been happening right how long something has been happening የሚለው ሊመልሱ የሚችሉ በተለይ present perfect continuous present perfect and past perfect continuous እንደ signal expression ልንጠቀባቸው የምንችላቸው ብቸኛ adverbs ናቸው I don't mean that we can use for instance for present perfect continuous and past perfect we use for past perfect and the present perfect መጠቀም እንችላለን ግን basically for instance how long የሚለውን ጥያቄ የሚመልሱሉ በpresent perfect continuous ብቻ ምን መልሳቸው ስለዚህ መልስ ይሄው ምንም ወደዛ መሄድበት ነገር የለኝም ማለት ነው ለምን look here he is bored still he is working in the same office ማለት he is bored ማለት he has been working in the same office for ages ማለት እድሜ ልኩን አንድ ቢሮ ነው እየሰራ ያለው ስለዚህ ምን እንደሆነ ሰውየው ደብሮታል he is bored አሁን there is something inside right he feels something inside so that is the present perfect continuous አሁን የሰጧችሁ clear explanation it makes it clear how you are in a position to use for present perfect continuous and how it's different from the past perfect continuous please whatever and whenever the he is bored እያለ past perfect continuous ሊመልስ አልችልም is continuous አይሆንም or has worked present perfect ሊሆን አይችልም ምክንያቱም event የሚያሳየን an action began in the past and still continuous ነው right still continuous ነው የሚያሳየኝ is 12:30 now and the sun sets a blank dark 8:30 yes 8:30 now አሁን ነው ማራው and the sun sets is blank dark it's going to be future present continuous for future intention future tense and future perfect and simple present actual present ማለት ነው የሚያሳያችሁ actual present ነው የሚያሳያችሁ ያ so ምን ማለት ነው s12:30 አሁን ነው አይደል the sense ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው 12 ሰዓት ተኩል ሆነ ፀሐይ ገባች ወይም ጠለቀች ስትሉ ጨለማ ሊሆን ነው ስትሉ future intention ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው future intention ማለት future intention ማለት actually አንዱ የpresent perfect የpresent continuous አጠቃቀም future planned action ነው future planned action ውስጥ ምን አለ future intentional by the way future planned action እና future intention ይለያያሉ future planned action there is a plan actually plan አለ ያን ፕላን መሰረት አድርገን ነው መሰራው actually 87% is going to take in place all right future plan ከሆነ 87% ይሆናል ነው future intentionም ይሆናል ግን there is a little gap between future planned action future intention no plan የለውም take care please plan የለውም ግን you are intended or you are inclined or you have an object or you are a purpose to do something yes object አለን intention አለን inclined አለን ልንሰራው የምንችለው plan ግን አይደለም ያለ ነው ስለዚህ is going to ነው ምንለው right is going to will be ካላችሁ actually prediction ነው simply at least ይሄ 75 ወይ 80% ሊሆን ይችላል will be ግን simply prediction ነው የምንጠቀምበት ስለዚህ ይሄኛውም actual present ሊሆን አይችል ይሄ ነው future intention ማለት right ለምሳሌ I've got a plane ticket to Canada I've got a plane ticket to Canada ለምሳሌ ብል I'm flying to Canada next week ነው ብለው I've got a plane ticket to Canada ለካናዳ plane ticket ቆርጫለሁ ካልኩኝ I'm going to አይደለም ብለው I'm flying to Canada because I have already decided to do something before the time of speaking and this is my planned action actually this is my future intention it's not intention አይደለም intentional alright ስለዚህ planned action ነው I have received it I have got a ticket then I'm flying to Canada no I'm going to fly there is a meaning difference please yeah meaning difference plan ኖሮ መስራትና plan ሳይኖር መስራት they are different yes አንዳንድ ጊዜ ተመሳሳይ ናቸው ይላል it's quite different yeah people abhor getting service from blank guys they always think of satisfying their personal feeling corrupting and corrupted anti-corrupt and corrupt here all right corrupting present participle as an adjective corrupted past participle as an adjective corrupt an infinitive verb here corrupt simple present so what is the right word to complete here people abhor means abominate or hate getting any kind of service from corrupted guys we have a reason yes why I say corrupted because just how much or how much people just how much people feel about the corrupted guys feeling ነው የምንገልጸው yes feeling ነው እየገለጽን ያለው ምን ያክል corrupted የሆኑ ሰዎች ጋር ቢሮ መሄዳቸውና ሰርቪስ ማግኘትን እንደሚጠሉ ስንል ሰዎች ምን ያክል ፊሊንግ እንዳላቸው ነው። ኮረፕት የሆኑ ሰዎች እንዴት እንደሚጠሉ ፊሊንግ ነው እየገለጸ ይሄ ፓስት ፓርቲሲፕል ነው። ፕሬዘንት ፓርቲሲፕል the cause of someone's feeling ነው። እንደ አድጀክቲቭ የምንጠቀምበት ከሆነ the cause of someone's feeling ነው። ከዚህ ሐሳብ ጋር ሊገናኝ አይችልም። ይሄ to corrupt አይፈልግም please because there is a preposition no another preposition go with this word so it's wrong please. Nice. So the answer is corrupted. Yeah, exactly. Nice. An ignorant person is always ignorant and thinks blank. Yes, an ignorant person is always ignorant and thinks blank. So what's here ምን ማለቱ ነው? ይሄ ማለት እዚህ ጋር የአድጀክቲቭ እና የአድቨርብ ጥያቄዎችን ነው የጠየቁት። የአድቨርብ እና የአድጀክቲቭ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው ጥያቄዎቹ። ስለዚህ poorly, poor, fastly, and poorest. So and see things poorly, which is adverb ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም የሚፈልገው ነገር either verb-ን modify ማድረግ ነው፣ adverb-ን modify ማድረግ ነው, or adjective-ን modify ማድረግ። በዚህ context how ignorant person is always ignorant and see things poorly. poorly የሚለው verb-ን ነው modify የሚያደርግላችሁ። All right. Question number 7. I don't know where I wonder where my wallet is. I wonder where my wallet is. Yes, I think it is on my bedroom. It is on my bedroom. So right. Actually, here is the best signal expression. I'm not sure where I suited my bag ማለት ነው. Yes. I wonder where my wallet is. I think it belongs on my bed. Will be, future, and might be, could be, has to be. ጥያቄዎቹ የሞዳል ቨርብ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። will be ስትጠቀሙ for prediction ነው። might be probability or something which is not sure. could be actually past ability or general ability. has to be actually which is doesn't have this form. anyway እዚህ ጋር የሚሰጣችሁ ፍንጭ might be or maybe እንድትጠቀሙ ነው። yes. I'm not sure ማለት ነው። I'm not sure where I put my bag. Yes, I'm not sure where I put my bag. It might be on my bedroom. Yes. እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም የት እንዳስቀመጥኩት ምናልባት አልጋ ላይ ሊሆን ይችላል ነው። Yes. I wonder where. I'm not sure. I'm sorry for where I put my goods. That's right, please. Nice. Question number 8. Flooding blank damaged the buildings blank eroded the land. Whether or, either or, not only but also, neither nor. The conjunctions are correlative and they are found in pairs, and also they join one noun to the other noun, one verb to the other verb, one clause to the other clause, and one phrase to the other phrase. This is why conjunctive or correlative adverbs የምንላቸው ዋና ፐርፖዛቸው ነው። አንድን ስም ከሌላ ስም፣ አንድን verb ከሌላ verb፣ አንድን adjective ከሌላ adjective፣ አንድን adverb ከሌላ adverb ልክ እንደዚህ የሚያያይዝ ብቸኛ conjunctionናችን correlative ነው የምንለው። correlating of words, correlating of phrases እንላቸዋለን። ያ whether or ስትጠቀሙ actually if you are in confusion or in dilemma you can just use whether or. ለምሳሌ I don't know whether the examination is given next week or next month or not. No one is sure when the examination is given. Right? I don't know. I'm not sure. እርግጠኛ አይደለሁም ነው። either or ስትጠቀሙ one of the two ነው። I don't like to use both at the same time. I want to use either this one or that one. Right? I don't like to use both at the same time. I like to use or I want to use either this one or that one. Either or, one of the two. Not only but also means both and. I don't want both the first one but also the second one. Or I want not only the first one but also the second one. In addition, both and ማለት ነው. Right? Neither nor means not the one nor the other. None of the two, which has negative meaning actually. Yes? ይሄ ነው ትርጉማቸው። ስለዚህ ምንድነው flooding is high eroding or high flow of rain ማለት ነው። high flow of rain from highland to lowland areas. Flooding, yes, is a cause of global warming actually. Yes, not only but also. Yes, right. Let me explain it here. Not only damaged the buildings. Yes, this is called a phrase ማለት ነው አይደል? But also eroded the land. This is called phrase ነው የምትሉት። focus attention ምንድነው እዚህ ጋር damaged and eroded ቨርቦች ናቸው ይሄ ነው ይሄን ብቻ አይደለም የሚያደርገው ሁለቱንም ነው የሚያደርገው ነው ማለት ነው this is the hillside this is the hillside this is the hillside blank I want to build my tent the hillside which where why and when lies please this question the word is a relative pronoun which when we use this which for if the speaker or the subject is maybe things and animals objects yes not person where why and when relative adverbs ናቸው እነዚህ relative pronoun አይደሉም ፐርፐዛቸው ምንድነው yes እነዚህ ይሄን መጠቀሙ ከሆነ place የሚያወራ ከሆነ place and identify ለማድረግ ወይም እሱ ለመግለጽ where reason identify ለማድረግ why and when ደግሞ ማን መጠቀሙበት that's called time and የሚገልጽ ሐሳብ ካለ we can just use when ተጠቀማላችሁ when that's the rationale behind it yes when yeah right በጣም ጥሩ ዲጋም ያወራችሁ hillside ማለት seaside ማለት ነው አይደል the hillside means the seaside here so በቀላሉ ማንም ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው where ማለት ነው ያለው reason የሚያወራ የለም እዚህ ጋር time የሚያወራ የለም ወይም ሌሎች የምትጠቀባቸው የለም right please this is the hillside where I want to build my tent አሁን ያ ይሄ እዚህ hillside ላይ ነው ቴንቴን ወይም ድንኳኔን ለእንትን ላደርግ የሚችለው ማለት ነው right where I want to build my tent is a relative adverb it basically modifies the hillside adverbs ማለት ነው right number 10 a lot of birds fly around the forest blank they hear the lion's roars all right a lot of birds fly around the forest blank they hear the lion roars when during when and after ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር አሁንም እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች የኮንጀክሽን ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እነዚህ ኮንጀክሽን where adverb clause of place ነው subordinating conjunction ነው during when after subordinating conjunction adverb clause of time ናቸው but they use in different ways please ስለዚህ ይሄ መልስ አይደለም during time ነው ግን ፍሬዝን ተከትሎ የሚለው ለምሳሌ I fell asleep during the game I fell asleep during the game ስንል ጨዋታው እየተካሄደ ያለው በጨዋታው ጊዜ ተኝቼ ነበር ወይም እንቅልፍ ወስዶ የነበር ነው during the game it refers about time but the structure here is noun phrase actually when is actually two things happen at the same time it's true for past continuous it's true for past perfect it's true for the future predictions when it's true after one action happened before the other ለምሳሌ after I had written the report I sent to the president's office after I had written the report I sent to the president's office right one action happened done the other after so ዲጋም ጠይቃችሁ ነገር የለም አሁን ይሄን ተጠቀሙ ይገባችሁ አይደለም a lot of birds fly around the forest when exactly when yeah when they hear the lion roars yes የአንበሳውን ድምጽ ሲሰሙ በጣም ብዙ አዕዋፋት በጫካው አካባቢ ተሰባስበው ወይም ድምጻቸውን ያሰሙት because that is the first time to hear the lion roars right lion roars so time ነው የሚፈልገው ኮንቴክስቱ during አይደለም ሌሎችን አይፈልግም yeah she belonged back from Ireland and she is in Ethiopia now she belonged back from Ireland exactly and she is in Ethiopia now this is the context please context ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው clear context please she is in Ethiopia now ማለት አሁን ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ነው ያለችው ኢትዮጵያ ስለዚህ past perfect አይሆነኝም had recently አልጠቀም has coming የለኝም wrong ነው has recently come and came past tense ሊሆን አይችልም በቀላሉ has recently came ነው የምትሉት yeah one thing here has recently came in it an action happened an action has happened or an action has completed with an action has it shows an action has completed in a short time ago please ማለት ነው an action has completed recent completed action የምንገልጽበት ቴንሳችን the present perfect ነው እነሱን ደግሞ recently already just ስትጠቀሙ recent complete action ናቸው ነበረች አየርላንድ ነበረች አሁን ግን ኢትዮጵያ ነች ስንል ይሄ result to present tense ነው right if you insert or complete the question with past perfect, the result is past ምናምን she was ብለን ነው complete የምናደርገው ማለት ነው right question number 12 the light suddenly went off blank the storm when as while during ቅድም ተነጋግረናል መሳቹ ማን ነው የሚሆነው during the storm ነው የምትሉት ምክንያቱም noun phrase ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው phrase ማለት ይሄው the storm here this is a headline noun this is a modifier complete object ነው የምትሉት ይሄ ስለዚህ noun phrase ነው the light suddenly went off during the storm ያ ነጎድጓዱ ሲፈጠር በድንገት መብራቱ ሄዷል so it refers about time not place ወይም ሌላ ነገር ሊገልጻቸው the light suddenly went off during the storm right when the storm happened ስትሉ when ተጠቀማ when the storm happened when ስትጠቀሙ closeን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል during ስንጠቀም phraseን ተከትሎ ይሄዳል both refers about adverb clause of time ናቸው አራቱም adverb clause of time ናቸው ይሄ time ነው cause effective ነው yes at this time tomorrow all the villagers belong the eve of the holiday at this time tomorrow below here is at this time tomorrow an action will be taking place in a certain time in the future at this time tomorrow I'm not talking about the time here at the present time at the time of speaking I'm not talking about the part that was taking place in the past but I'm going toward something will be taking place in the future so that's right ስለዚህ ይሄ ነው at this time tomorrow ያወራ ያለው ስለዚህ certain time አለ ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር certain time እየተከናወነ ይቆያል ነው ይሄን የምንገልጽበት tense the future continuous tense please አሁን ላይ ሆናችሁ በተወሰነ ሰዓት continuous የሆነ ኢቨንትን እያከናወናችሁ የምትገልጹበት tense future continuous ነው actually right ለምሳሌ at this time tomorrow I'll be taking an exam or an entrance exam or I'll be studying in library or I'll be doing something with my family you can say it future perfect continuous ከዚህ ይለያል future perfect continuous there is a point of time መነሻ አለን and there is a period of time እየተከናወነ የሚቀበል duration of time or length of time አለን ሁለቱን አጣጥሞ የሚሄድ future perfect continuous ትሉታላችሁ yes all right by 2026 all the Ethiopian people will have been just doing something similar expected time አለ እየተከናወነ የሚቆይበት ድርጊት አለ future perfect continuous ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው question number 14 conversation between Alamu and Sabla do you promise to bring the book that I gave you before Sabla yes I promise it present yes I'm promising present continuous yes I'll promise future tense yes I have promised present perfect no first your intention is what kind of question word is here this is simple present ታለቀ በቃ በሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት እየተጠየቁኝ ነው በሲምፕል past ወይ በፕሬዘንት ፐርፌክት ወይ በፊውቸር ልመልስ አልችልም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ አንዱ እሱ ነው ሁለተኛ ፕሮሚስ ምንድነው ፕሮሚስ this called mental verb ነች አለ promise understand remember insist and think know exceptional mental verbs እንላቸዋለን አሁን የዘረዘርኳቸው verbs I'll repeat once promise understand remember forget insist on and know all right know think እነዚህ totally continuous form የላቸውም continuous form በpresent continuous በcontinuous ልንገልጻቸው ታዲያ በምን እንገልጻቸዋለን only simple present so I promise አንደኛው መንገድ ነው ሁለተኛው the question word as I told you is simple present so our response is also simple present በpresent continuous በpresent perfect ልመልስ አልችልም በfuture tense ልመልስም አልችልም yes do you promise to pray about that yes I promise it yes I promise means yes I promise yeah I bring the book that I gave you last time be a promise እገባለታለሁ promise እንደዚህ ገልጻለሁ that's the right justification anyways yeah don't interrupt me the exam is approaching and a blank card yes right this is true please don't interrupt me this is signal like when do I use this don't interrupt me but at the time of speaking I am studying ምንም ሌላ further መሄድበት ነገር የለኝም please the exam is approaching and I am studying በቃ አትረብሽ ፈተና ደርሷል እያጠናሁ ነው ይሰንሱ ስለዚህ interrupt me very important expression ነች question number 6 belong the journal to the country at 12 in the evening will does did are belong the journals leave the country yes right they got the journals leave one thing here is leave እዚህ ጋር የሚለው ነገር አለ ሁለተኛ this is schedule or time arrangement ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው schedule or time arrangement schedule ማለት አት ማለት ነው right at 2 in the evening schedule ነው ማለት simple present ተጠቀማላችሁ ነው right simple present ነው sometimes present continuous ማለት basically ግን present simple ይሄ ነው time arrangement or future planned action ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው please አንደኛ ሁለተኛ እዚህ ጋር አሉ እንደዚህ future planned actionን ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ schedule ሊገልጹ የሚችሉ there are few expressions few words ለምሳሌ አንዱ ማን ነው ለምሳሌ live or here is begin or start and here's lands on just right okay እነዚህ አሁን የምዘረዝራቸው ቨርቦች ምንድናቸው እነዚህ የምዘረዝራቸው ቨርቦች ኮመን የሆኑ ቨርቦች በሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ብቻ የምገልጻቸው ማለት ናቸው yes በሲምፕል ፕሬዘንት ብቻ የምገልጻቸው ቨርቦች ናቸው ያ some ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው does ብላችሁ የምትመልሱልኝ exactly does the journalist leave the country at 12 in the evening future planned action ነገ 2 ሰዓት ምሽት ጆርናሊስቱ ከዚህ ሀገር ለቆ ይወጣል ነው ጥያቄው right planned action ነው yes planned action 2 ሰዓት ከሀገሪቱ ይለቃል that's right 17 blank I got nothing educable here no matter how fun the film is I don't know how the film is despite the fact the film however the film yeah right I got nothing educable which is contrast view I got nothing educable ከተቱ ስኬን no matter how fun the film is ምናልባት ምንም እንኳን ፊልሙ በጣም አዝናኝ ቢሆንም ምንም አስተማሪ ነገር አላገኘሁበትም of course no matter how fun which is an adjective yes how fun no matter how it doesn't matter how plus adjective plus inversion no of course I don't know how the fun is I don't know how the film is I got nothing alakum how the film is I got nothing educable no in spite of the fact the film however the film no so the answer is no matter how fun the film is yes no matter how fun the film is I got nothing educable right whatever ምንም እንኳን ፊልሙ አዝናኝ ቢሆንም አስተማሪ ነገር አላገኘሁትም ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ it doesn't matter how fun the film is although the film is fun even though the film is fun I got nothing educable which is adverb clause of contrast or conjunction both the two views are contrast ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር ስለዚህ basically no matter how ስትጠቀሙ structure ይሄን structure ነው የሚከተለው that's right blank the rain people enjoy their holiday going outside although despite and because of exactly አንደኛ ሐሳቡን ክሎዞቹን መለየት ነው ሁለተኛ አያያዝ ቃሎቹን እዚህ ጋር also ካላችሁ ይሄም ዞ መሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው አይደል እንዴ በቃ ባጭር ሰዓት ገልጧላችሁ አይሆንም መልሱ also ኮኖ so because they are adverb clause of contrast ናቸው no difference but in spoken english ዞ መጠቀሙ የተሻለ ነው but in grammar both have the same function although even though even if they have the same purpose ሁለቱም መጡ ማለት መልስ አይደሉም አንዱ ቴክኒካቸው ነው despite the same purpose with also and even though but the structure is different because of phrases of reason ነው ይሄ reason የሚገልጽ ከሆነ that's okay ሊሆን ይችላል because of the rain people yes because of the rain ካለ በዝናቡ ምክንያት people enjoy their holiday going outside ሆነ yes በዝናቡ ምክንያት people do not enjoy ነው ምንለው አይደል ሰዎች ውጭ ወጥተው በዓላቸውን ሴሌብሬት አያደርጉም ነው ምንለው ምክንያቱም ዝናቡ ምክንያት አለ እዚህ ጋር because it rains heavily ማለት ነው ስለዚህ መልስ አይደለም እሱ despite the rain ስትሉ ልክ ነው despite the rain look here despite the rain people enjoy their holiday going outside ምንም እንኳን ዝናብ ቢጥልም ሰዎች በዓላቸውን ውጭ ወጥተው enjoy ያደርጋሉ ሴሌብሬት ያደርጋሉ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ናቸው በሌላ አገላለጽ despite and in spite of እነዚህ they have the same purpose ናቸው ምንን ተከትለው የሚሄዱት ፍሬዝን ምን አይነት ፍሬዝ ናውን ፍሬዝን ተከትለው ይሄዳሉ በቃ that's right ቅድም ተናግሬያለሁ because of a complete እንዴት እንደማያደርገው blank question number 19 blank I'm concerned both developed and developing countries should do more about global warming as far as with regard to thirdly at Italy yes what as far as I'm concerned mean the answer is as far as I'm concerned it is an expression for giving opinion actually yes ጥያቄው የኦፒኒየን ጥያቄዎች ናቸው as far as I'm concerned እኔ እንደሚመለከተኝ ከሆነ ብዬ ነው ሐሳብ የምሰጠው with regard to this ብዬ ልገልጽ እችላለሁ with reference to this ልል እችላለሁ or thirdly firstly secondly and thirdly of course totally if I want to conclude about the issue the agenda that I'm talking and I'm preaching to the audiences or the residences I can use totally conclusion but this event is not a waste of conclusion about something all right this is a kind of giving an opinion right as far as I'm concerned as the right expression here I'm nearly always at home in the evening I blank ever go out I'm nearly always at home yes I'm nearly always at home nearly always at home means almost 90% I'm at home ስለዚህ ማኑ 90% hardly ማለት ነው okay I'm nearly ማለት almost ቤት ነኝ 100% በቃ ማታ ምሽት ላይ ቤት ነኝ I'm nearly always at home in the evening ገደለው ጥያቄው እዚህ ጋር ቤት ነኝ ማለት ስለዚህ ብላንጋው ስንል almost hardly scarcely rarely seldom negative adverb ነው የምትሏቸው እነዚህ እደግማለሁ hardly scarcely and rarely እነዚህ ኔጌቲቭ አድቨርብስ ናቸው almost no ማለት ነው almost nothing ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ I'm hardly looking for vacancies I'm hardly looking at vacancies so I do not get a job I'm hardly looking at ማለት almost vacancy አላይም ስለዚህ ስራ የለኝም ነው hardly looking at vacancy አላይም ስራ ማለት ኔጌቲቭ ነው ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ hardly ማለት የሃርድ adverb form ማለት አይደለም please hard which is positive meaning both it is an adjective and an adverb no that is question number 21 blank Ethiopia is rich in both endemic animals and historical heritages historically hopefully clinically ideologically yeah right this is a kind of adverb questions please if you insert historically is viewpoint adverbs actually viewpoint means there are adverbs which someone or people want to give opinion about something we can say viewpoint adverbs and whatever their viewpoint adverbs they modify verbs adverbs and adjust but on the whole sentence okay አረፍተ ነገሩን አይደለም viewpoint adverbs ሲሆኑ ማሆኑ ሶስት ነገሮችን ነው የሚገልጹት adverbun verbun adjective ነው hopefully and hopefully certainly clearly apparently እነዚህ ደግሞ sentence adverb ናቸው በአረፍተ ነገር መጀመሪያ ላይ ይመጣሉ the whole sentenceን modify ያደርጋሉ clinically if your opinion is about in terms of clinical items or clinical views this is viewpoint adverbs ideologically in terms of ideology this also a kind of viewpoint adverbs ናቸው exactly they most of the time come at the beginning of the sentence yes ለምሳሌ ስለ clinical viewpoint ካለ clinically ብለ ታስቀምጣዋለ አሁን የፈለኩት ግን historically Ethiopia is rich in both endemic of course ልክ ነው taking the re-exam is blank way to get the exams better more effective taking the re-exam is more effective way to get all right the most effective no meaning most effective of course the most effective yeah አሁን እነዚህ re-exam መውሰድ በተለይ እነዚህ remedial የሚወስዱ ተማሪዎች ሌሎች አማራጮች አሉ ከነዛ ውስጥ ግን ይሄ re-exam መስሎ the most effective way እነሱን ወደ ተሻለ ደረጃ ሊያመጣ የሚችል effective የሆነ way ነው if they use appropriately in effective way yes so taking the re-exam is the most effective way to get the exams better የተሻለ ደረጃ ሊያደርጋቸው የሚችል most effective ነው ካልን እቺን article plus most plus effective effect ከሚለው መጣ መልሳችሁ what's called superlative degree ማለት ነው right superlative degree exactly please all the books what I have is torn and outdated except blank which I bought blank yes all the book that I have is what I have is torn and outdated except blank right ያሉ ጠቅላላ መጽሐፎች outdated ሆነዋል እንደገና ተቀዳደዋል except ሲል ምን ማለቱ ነው which I bought blank ይላቸዋል few recently few ማለት almost ወይ አንድ ሁለት መጽሐፍ almost small very close to negative ማለት almost የለኝም ምናልባት ካለ መጽሐፍ አንድ ወይ ሁለት ሊሆን ይችላል recently adverb ነው a few some not many ማለት ነው right recent simply adjective ነው little because this uncountable but እዚህ ጋር የሚያወራው ስለ መጽሐፍ ነው የሚያወራው countable ነው መልስ ሊሆናችሁ አይችልም few of course ልክ ነው ግን recent adverb አይደለም መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው ጥያቄውን እስኪ እናያይዘው please all the books what I have is torn and outdated except few which I bought recently yes ከተወሰኑት በስተቀር አሁን በቅርብ ከገዛዋቸው ከተወሰኑት በስተቀር ሁሉም መጽሐፍ outdated እና ተቀዷል ነው እያልኩ ያለው ስለዚህ alright recently ማለት ቅርብ ማለት ነው recently ማለት an action has happened at the recent time which is close to now recently close to the time being not earlier past ማለት አይደለም recently ማለት earlier past ማለት አይደለም ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው few and recently adverb ነው actually which I bought recently ማለት recently bought የሚለውን verb modify ያደርጋል ለዚህ ነው adverb መሆን አለበት ያልኩ ያለሁት nice question number 24 Asir has 3 sisters and all are married but blank have get a child the context is here please context is here ይሄን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ የምታዩት context ይሄ ነው Asir has 3 sisters here በጣም ጥሩ ይሄን ካልኩ በኋላ some neither none any ሶስት ጉዳዮች አሉ some neither አሁን none any አንድ ግሩፕ ናቸው all none any if you want to talk about people or things more than 3 all right neither either both if you want to talk about person or things which are at least 2 ሁለት ነገሮች ከሆኑ እነዚህ እንጠቀማለን ከዛ በላይ ከሆኑ እነዚህ እንጠቀማለን ኮንቴክስቱ የሚሰጣችሁ እዚህ ጋር 3 ነው ስለዚህ ፎከሴ none any ብቻ ነው any ስትጠቀሙ whatever anything or any person ነው አንድ ሁለተኛ for question ነው ሶስተኛ or አራተኛ for negative sentence ነው ስለዚህ any አይሆነኝም ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሴ none ማለት negative meaning ነው negative meaning yes negative meaning ለምሳሌ Asir has 3 sisters all are married but none have got a child ሁሉም አግብተዋል ግን ከሶስቱ አንድ እንኳን ህፃን ልጅ ወይም ልጅ ያላቸው የሉም ነው none have got a child ማለት have you seen it yeah any has got or neither has got ብትሉ እዚህ ጋር ኮንቴክስቱ ያዛችሁ ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ቢል neither ይሆናል እዚህ ጋር 10 ቢል villagers ቢል people ቢል አሁንም none ነው የሚሆነው which has negative meaning any ማለት ነው all ስትጠቀሙ ማለት which has positive meaning ነው Asir has 3 sisters all are married ይሄው all are married ሶስቱንም ነው እያወራ ያለው ሶስቱንም ነው እያወራ this is a clear context please let's go from here after discomfort and blank bad let's go from here after discomfort yeah smelling ይሄን ምርጫ ስታዩ state verbs እንደሆኑ ማሰብ አለብን yes state verbs ማለት the smell taste hear and what about touch sound ምንላቸው ነገሮች ናቸው እነሱ ደግሞ continuous form የላቸውም ስለዚህ smell yeah አንደኛ እሱ ነው ሁለተኛ እዚህ ጋር I feel simple present and which go with simple present smell here parallelism እንለዋለን I feel discomfort and smell ሳትሉ because the speaker here is I so it doesn't take the suffix s here and smelling it doesn't have any progressive form is smelling present continuous so this smelling doesn't have continuous form that's completely wrong so the answer is I feel discomfort smell bad yes right ጥሩ ስሜት አልተሰማኝም ስለዚህ ከዚህ አካባቢ ለቀን እንሂድ ነው ያልኩ ያለሁት እኮ nice ስለዚህ እንደዚህ አይነት ኮንቴክስቶችን በደንብ ያያያችሁ ነው መመለስ if you throw nice it blank into pieces yeah will change would change and changes and change actually this conditional actually we have 5 types of conditionals zero conditional type 1 type 2 type 3 አራት and inversion 5 and mixed conditional 6 conditionaloች አሏችሁ 6 types of conditional all the 6 conditionals are completely different we use in different contexts please that's right if you throw an ice yeah this is እንደዚህን ጥያቄዎች ስትመልሱ conditional መሆኑን ይሄን ነው እዚህ ጋር conditional ነው because the conjunction if አለ if ማለት እኮ if possible ማለት እኮ ነው አያያዥ ቃልነቱ if you throw ስትሉ ደግሞ የመንደነች this one is simple present verb ነው በቃ ጨረሳችሁ simple present ከሆነ ይሄ አይሆነኝም or ይሄ ሊሆን ይችላል ከዚህ ውጭ ያለው ይሆነኛል ግን እንዴት ሊሆን ይችላል if it is general truth ከሆነ ይሄ ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው either ይሄ ወይም ይሄ ሊሆን ይችላል በቃ general truth ከሆነ if you throw an ice it changes into pieces exactly please yeah because it's facts it's not my opinion it's the scientist's opinion right አንድን በረዶ አንስታችሁ በመጠሩበት ጊዜ ይፈነካከታል ነው አይደል ፋክት ነው አይፈነካከትም የሚል ኦፒኒየን ሊመጣ አይችልም ይሄ በራሱ ዜሮ ኮንዲሽናል ነው የምትሉት ይሄን ዜሮ ኮንዲሽናል ማለት both cases ወይም if clause እና main clause በፕሬዘንት ሲገለጽ general truth ነው የምትሉት general truth fact ነው ይሄ ደግሞ ዜሮ ኮንዲሽናል ነው የምንለው how do you know it if you throw an ice if clause ፍንጭ ሰጠኝ ማለት ነው እዚህ if you throw an ice exactly will change into peace አትሉም will change ማለት ላይሰበር ይችላል ማለት there is a possibility ያለው ላይሰበር የሚችልበት ማለት እኮ ነው እንደዛ ማለት ግን no possibility at all no possibility at all Alex said yeah next question nice anyway Alex said this question please Alex said my sister is getting better from her illness it can be reported as in one of the following sentences Alex said that she is getting better from all right nice reported speech with a indirect speech report ስታደርጉ pronoun ይቀይራል tense ይቀይራል time expression ይቀይራል adverb ይቀይራሉ አራት አምስት ጉዳዮች እየተቀየሩ ይሄዳሉ አንደኛ tense መለየት ነው present continuous ነው የሚላችሁ ወደ past continuous መሆኑን እንዳትረሱ my sister ሲል Alex ነው የሚለው his sister ብላችሁ የምትረዱ her illness ይላል ኖርማሊ አትቀይሩትም past continuous and her sister የምን ነው የምትፈልጉት ስለዚህ Alex said that his sister was getting better from her illness exactly so መልሳችሁ ማን ሆነ ማለት ነው ይሄው ቀደም ያልኩት እዚህ ጋር present continuous ወደ past continuous my sister Alex ስለሆነ ስፒከሩ ሰብጀክቱ his sister በቃ nice question number 28 My friend went to the bus station to get a bus ticket. My friend went to the bus station to get a bus ticket. Doesn't he? Did he? Didn't he? Is he? This is tag question actually. Let's go down the tag question like if the statement is positive, the tag is negative. If the statement is negative, the tag is negative kona positive tag allen. Positive sentence kona negative tag allen. ይሄ አንድ ሶስት ህጎች አሉት actually but the time is not enough to give and this extra explanation about this type question but I think it's easy እዚህ ጋር የሚያወራን simple past ነው simple past which is positive sentence ነው ስለዚህ ምንድነው መልሳችሁ didn't he ብላችሁ ትመልሱልኛላችሁ didn't he you my friend went to the bus station to get a bus ticket didn't he አላደረገም ወይም አልሄደምን ማለት ነው yes he went to the bus station to get a bus ticket didn't he ይሄን የምትጠቀሙት እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ እንደዚህ ብለው ይሄን did my friend didn't go to the bus station ቢል did he እንላለን did he እንላለን ለምሳሌ ይሄን went የሚለው ወደ present my friend goes to the bus station to get a bus ticket goes ስለው doesn't he እንላለን doesn't go to ስል ደግሞ does እንላለን is የሚሆን ከፈለገ ደግሞ my friend is talented my friend is a talented boy isn't he yes nice look he looks young but he is aging he is aged he ages he will be aged no መሰላችሁ ምንድነው he is aging ለማለት ነው ወጣት መሰለ ነገር ትልቅ ሰው ማለት እኮ ነው እዚህ ጋር aging elder ማለት እኮ ነው yes elder ማለት he is aging look he looks young but he is aging not he is aged ማለት past the present passive voice ማለት ነው he is aging ትልቅ ነው ማለት ነው he is aged ማለት there is something which there is an external force which make the guy aged ማለት ነው አይደል በpresent passive voice ገለጻችሁት ማለት external force አለ ሰውየውን elderly የሚያደርግ ነገር አለ ማለት ነው he is aging ግን ሰውየውን physically አይተህ ገለጽከው ያ look ተመልከቱ ትልቅ ሰው ነው እኮ የምትለው ትልቅ ሰው እየሆነ ነው የምትሉት እኮ he is aging mean nice take care please ስለዚህ passive voice እንዳይሸውዳችሁ which of the following sentence is past passive voice exactly you have just some ways strategies to identify one active sentence from the passive sentence if the structure is if you know the subject the doer that's called passive voice አይደለም active voice ነው ዶሩን ድርጊት ፈጻሚ በግልጽ ስቴት ሆኖ ከተቀመጠ ከተለየ እሱ ሰንተንስ active voice ትሉታላችሁ it is quite clearly understand the sentence yes አረፍተ ነገር አንብባችሁ አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ እንችላለን active voice ማለት ነው awful to understand unable to understand it makes us confusion to understand እንደዛ ከሆነ ደግሞ passive voice ማለት ነው awful to understand ለመረዳት ያስቸግረናል ነው because intention ምን ላይ ነው passive voice object ላይ ስለሚመጣ agent ላይ ስለሚመጣ ኤጀንቱ ተደራጊው የአድራጊ ቦታ ላይ ሲመጣ ለመረዳት ያስቸግራል በዛ መልኩ አይደንቲፋይ ምናክ ሁለተኛ ፎርሙ b+ past participle of the active verb ማለት ነው ሁሉ ጊዜ be plus ስለዚህ እሱ ነው የምታዩት they lived አይደለም they had better አይደለም the letter was ይሄው the letter was this is receiver agent ማለት ይሄ ማለት ነው ዶር አይደለም የድርጊት ባለቤት አይደለም ድርጊት ተቀባይ ነው በሌተር ሊሆን አይችልም the letter was reported was ምንድነው be forms of verb ነው reported verb 3 of the active voice ነው ስለዚህ simply እንደዚህ አድርጌ ለዩዋለሁ ምን አይነት passive voice ነው past passive voice እንለዋለን ይሄ አያችሁ subject ክልል ስቴት ሆኗል እዚህ ጋር ግን ያ 31 I don't like to use both at the same time but I prefer this one blank that one exactly the question here is preference ማለት ነው talking about preference የቱን ነው የሚወስድላችሁ ታራ ሁለት ነገሮችን ነው የሚያወዳድረው ከነዛ prefer የሚያደርገው ነገር ሲገልጽ ቱን ነው የሚወስደው ሳንና በፍጹም አይወስድም please would rather san ነው የምትሉት I would rather san live here than there እዛ ከምኖር እዚህ መኖሬን እመርጣለሁ I prefer living here to living there እዛ ከምኖር እዚህ መኖር እመርጣለሁ would rather has the same meaning with prefer to exactly she was intended to buy blank whose color is blank and modern yes she was intended to buy one stylish the one stylish the one styled one style she was intended to buy the one yeah because the one ስንል each article purpose አላት ምክንያቱም ምንድነው አጠቃቀሙ አይችል ስፔሲፊክ ማድረግ ነው ኢቨንቱን ስፔሲፊክ the one ማለት ስታይሊሽ የሆነውና ሞደርን ከለር የምትለው ነገር አይደንቲፋይ የምታደርግ article important ነች please she was intended to buy the one whose color is stylish and modern stylish style ከሚለው የመጣ ነው ish ሲጨምርበት ወደ adjective ቀየርኩት ማለት ነው ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር modern በራሱ adjective ነው ከዚህ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችል verb structure ነው parallelism እንለዋለን this one is an adjective and this one is also an adjective please ስለዚህ style can be changed into stylish and that's right the one whose color is stylish and modern nice please 33 I can manage the shopping alone please nice yeah I can manage the shopping alone ስለዚህ ምንድነው የሚላችሁ እዚህ ጋር አሁን I can manage the shopping alone you belong with me because I don't want anyone who go with me all right I can manage the shopping alone ማለት ማንንም ሰው አልፈልግም no need to go no I don't want anybody to go with me it's not necessary to go any with me ማለት ነው ስለዚህ needn't በቃ exactly needn't ምክንያቱም እኔ ራሴ ማንንም አልፈልግም ማናጅ አደረገው you needn't go with me it's not necessary to go with me አንተ ከኔ ጋር መሄዱ አስፈላጊ አይደለም የሞዳል verb ጥያቄ ነው እዚህ ጋር needn't ስትጠቀሙ and needn't plus bare infinitive without to እቺ to እንደዚህ አይቻልም እንደዚህ friends እንደዚህ መጠቀም አይቻል በፍጹም ይሄ ስህተት ነው ስለዚህ እንደዚህ ነው የሚሆነው እሱማ ማሳየት ነው የፈለኩት please ይሄው ስህተቱ እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ it's wrong please it's wrong yeah so I can manage the buildings or the shopping alone so he didn't go with me right answer necessity verb he has a strong attachment to those blank are business minded follows and think about how business is generated to those who are relative pronoun question no actually relative pronoun with subjective case he ማለት who are ማለት they are business minded ነው ዘይን ሂን ሽን ሊተካ የሚችል ብቸኛው relative pronounዎችን who ማለት who are business minded exactly his house is blank mine he arrived to school 30 minutes late to class yes look here his house is blank mine he arrives to school 30 minutes late to class first son okay actually irregular adjective ምንላቸው እነዚህ ሁለቱ የፋር adjective forms ናቸው person ማለት in addition besides ማለት ነው ለሐሳብ ነው ምን ተቀበል person distance ማለት ነው right distance ማለት ነው even though both the two words are from the word far but the implied meaning is completely different ሁለቱም ከፋር የሚለው ወርድ የመጡ ቢሆኑም ይሄ ተጨማሪ ሐሳብ መስጠት ስትፈልጉ further ትላላችሁ ርቀት መግለጽ ስትፈልጉ farther ትላላችሁ የሚያወራው እዚህ ጋር his house is farther than mine exactly you don't look very well today yes you don't look very well today you belong out tonight you had better not to go you had better not to go all right you had better not to go the problem is not had better advice ነው suggestion ነው ግን ማን ያውስድ መሰላችሁ እቺ ነው that's the problem please እቺ ነው ተበላሸ ጉዳዩ እዚህ ላይ had better go you don't look very well today you had better go out today you don't look very well እያለ had better go ልትለው አችልም አይደል you are better going had better plus an infinitive verb or bar infinitive not gerund form not any form ተበላሸ እዚህ ጋር had better not go exactly the difference here እዚህ ጋር difference ነው had better not to go had better go not go ስለዚህ ቅድም ያልኩ difference ምንድነው to now ስቱም ስለዚህ had better not go you don't look very well today you had better not go out tonight ባትሸድ ወደ ውጭ ባትወጣ የተሻለ ነው it is advisable not to go out tonight right it's better not to go out tonight so the right response here is not ይሄ መልስ ነው የሚሆነው question number 37 I wish she belonged earlier but she didn't do it I wish she came she was coming she has come and here is she has come and she had come yeah I wish ሁለት አጠቃቀማለሁ regretting the present or talking the present and talking about the past ነው እዚህ ጋር ግን መልሱ መለሰው but she didn't come she didn't do it regretting the past ወይም conditional type 3 impossible condition exactly so the answer is ይሄ ማለት ነው very clear question I wish she had come earlier yeah በጧት ብትመጣ ምኞቴ ነበር አላለ but she didn't do it አልመጣችም ይሄ ማለት ነው yes ለምሳሌ I wish she came earlier ምንድነው she doesn't come ነው she doesn't do it አልመጣችም አልሰራችም ማለት አልመጣችም አትመጣም ማለት አትመጣም she doesn't do it ማለት አትሰራም አትመጣም ማለት ነው she didn't do it አልመጣችም ነበር ነው ስለዚህ wish with past perfect wish plus simple past referring about present referring about past regression so the answer is had come question number 38 yeah he reported us the bank blank but he didn't get information who robbed it he reported at the bank blank was robbed past passive robbed simple past had been robbed past perfect passive voice had robbed past perfect የሚያወራው ስለማን ነው ስለ ባንክ ነው ስለ ኤጀንት ነው ኤጀንት had been robbed ካላችሁ በትክክል መልሳችኋል ቴክኒካል የሆነ ጥያቄ ነው ይሄ ፕሊዝ መጠየቅ የፈለኩት past perfect በpast perfect passive voice እንዲገለጽ ነው ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ላይ he reported second event ነው ይሄ ፕሊዝ second event the bank had been robbed and he reported አያችሁ መቀድሚያ ባንክ ሮብድ መሆኑ ሪፖርት አደረገ የመጀመሪያ ኢቨንት ነው ሁለተኛ ኢቨንት ነው በpast perfect passive voice ገልጹታላችሁ he has blank ideas about the issue and it's not enough to share to them he has little ideas fewest ideas fewer ideas least ideas which one do you think is right here little and least are not the answer because the idea here is countable ideas አለ ሐሳቦች ለማለት ነው ይቆጠራሉ ስለዚህ እና ሊሆኑ አይችሉም he has fewest ideas he has fewer ideas about the issue fewer exactly fewer ideas about the issue while I was on holiday my camera from my hotel room yeah while I was on holiday this is actually a tense question while I was on holiday my camera was stolen past passive because it talks about my camera agent ማለት ነው receiver ማለት ነው while I was on holiday is stolen አትሉም was stole አትሉም because stole still is an irregular so it doesn't add d and ed but it's different form was stolen actually these are the 40 questions grammar questions which are very important and the questions that I have prepared is my own original question I haven't copied any single question from any reference books, and the questions that I'm presenting at the time of speaking is completely different from the questions I've presented so far, because I want to encourage to show you to do more. All to do more means I want to show the variety of grammar questions, right? variety አይነቶች ነው ማሳየት የፈለኩትና ሁሉም ጥያቄዎች በዚህ መልኩ ነው ማቅረብ የፈለኩት። I think I hope just you will watch the video and you will subscribe, like and share my channel. And anyway, thank you for the time being.